For sale, 2017 Freightliner M2-106 tandem-axle cab and chassis, Cummins ISL, 8.9 liters. Allison Automatic offered for sale is a 2017 Freightliner M2-106 tandem-axle cab and chassis configured with a straight frame, providing an excellent heavy-duty platform ready for a wide range of commercial body installations such as dump body, roll-off, hook lift, flatbed, or specialty equipment upfit. This Class 8 heavy-duty truck is powered by a Cummins ISL 8.9-liter turbo diesel engine producing 300 horsepower and equipped with engine brake functionality, paired with a 6-speed Allison 3000 HS automatic transmission and a 6x4 drivetrain. The turbocharged 6-cylinder diesel engine operates on diesel fuel with a 100-gallon fuel capacity and includes differential lock for improved traction under demanding load conditions. The truck rides on Freightliner AirLiner air suspension with air brakes and features a tandem rear axle configuration. It carries a 52,000-pound GVWR supported by a 12,000-pound front axle rating and a 40,000-pound rear axle rating, along with a 274-inch wheelbase and aluminum wheels. The chassis is configured with a 208-inch cab-to-axle measurement, providing substantial frame length to accommodate a variety of heavy-duty body installations. Finished in white with a gray regular cab interior, the truck includes air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, and power door locks. Additional driver assist technology includes lane keep assist. Notes indicate a one-owner CARFAX history with extensive service records and fleet maintenance documentation. The truck is also equipped with a 5.29 rear gear ratio and is described as having low miles for its class, making it a strong candidate for operators seeking a reliable and versatile tandem axle chassis platform ready for upfit.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership. Because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.